So TikTok Shop is a numbers game. So that's actually pretty standard. If you had 30,000 views on one video and no sales, then that would be a problem. But I did check out your video and I just wanted to give you some feedback on it.
Yeah.
So the first 3 seconds of your video are going to be the most important. As soon as you put that bottle on the table, that's when you should have said, don't sleep on this multivitamin. You would have a visual hook by placing that on the table while you're saying don't sleep on this multivitamin. That would get somebody to stop scrolling because they feel like they need to know why they shouldn't sleep on that multivitamin.
This is a raspberry flavor and it's sugar free. The liquid vitamin is better absorbed into the body. I've definitely felt more energized since I.
So instead of just listing a bunch of features of that product, you can tell a story that's relatable to people. An example would be something like, hey, I've tried other multivitamins before, ones that came in tablets or capsules, and I never noticed a difference. But what I did notice about this one is I'm not constantly yawning and feeling tired halfway in the day. And I believe it's because this one is a liquid, which means your body can easily absorb it. When you're talking about a product, you just don't want to list a bunch of features because that doesn't really get people to buy. The videos that I've seen do the best on this platform are the ones that you don't even realize that they're selling a product until you're halfway through the video. Because the creator pulls you in through a story. And they're demonstrating how that product is solving a problem. So I hope this video helps, and if you want me to cover more tips on how to sell on TikTok Shop, just drop a comment.